In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to remove team members from Asana quickly and easily. If you've ever found yourself stuck or confused about how to manage your team in Asana, stick around, because we're about to walk through the steps in a way that's fast and simple to follow. Now, before we dive in, did you know that you can try Asana for completely free? And I'm even offering an exclusive bonus if you click the first link in the description below. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that Asana lets you manage team members in a couple of ways. If you're a project owner or admin, you have the ability to remove anyone from your team. Next thing, to start removing someone, go to your Team tab. Once you're in the team, find the member you want to remove and click on the three dots next to their name. This will open a menu with several options, and one of them will be Remove from Team. Go ahead and click that. The third thing to keep in mind is that once you remove someone from your team, they will no longer have access to any projects or tasks within that team. But don't worry, you can always re-add them if you need to later. The fourth thing you should know is how to remove someone from a specific project within your team. This is a little different than removing them from the entire team. For that, go into the specific project, click on Share, and then you can remove them from the project. This won't affect their access to other projects or teams in Asana. Lastly, if you've got someone on a free plan and need to upgrade their role or permission, removing them and adding them back as an admin or a different role may reset their access. So make sure you're on top of that if you want to avoid any surprises. Now, before we wrap things up, don't forget, as mentioned at the start, you can try Asana completely free through the first link in the description, and I'm offering an exclusive bonus you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you learn how to remove team members from Asana quickly and easily.